beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a quick review of the Nykaa's new Wing in a Blink eyeliner pen. And I know you must have seen a lot of reviews. I know you must have seen a lot of videos on Instagram. I'm sure many of you have gone and bought it, but I did get a couple of requests from all of you to just review this. And I do plan to start these small little reviews on my channel, and I want to do a lot more of it like I did last year, and also on individual products and many Nykaa launches. Okay, so this review is going to let you know whether it is worth your money or not. Okay, that's just it. It's just my opinion. And the packaging itself, I was quite impressed with it because it's got that eyeliner stamp that is supposed to be very friendly, user friendly for beginners basically. There are many such eyeliner stamps. I think Makeup Revolution did it, Lottie London has done it, because when it comes to eyeliners and eye pencils and lipsticks, Nykaa does a decent job. Okay, so I want to see if at all it's easy for someone like me who's not a pro makeup artist but somewhere in between. If I can do it, then I'm sure many of you can. So let's check this one out. This is Nykaa Wing in a Blink eyeliner pen. You must have seen this a lot of times. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Okay, so it's kind of like a fun, quirky cardboard box out here, which is nice. Nothing plastic about it, can be recycled at the same time. In the back of the box you get all the instructions, you get other informations like consumer and the numbers that you can call in case you have any problem with Nykaa. And it says it's made in India. It says that the manufacture date is 19/09/2019 and best to use it before 09/2022. It is paraben free, no animal testing. It claims to be waterproof and smudge proof, vegan and vegetarian. This particular shade is called Dark Night. They have only released one, and that is in black. This is supposed to be an intense black. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Again, on the back of it has all the manufacture date and where it's made, all the information given out here. This has got a dual side to it. So on one side it is this very thin felt tip. Okay, and let's check the darkness. It looks pretty intense and dark. And on the other side you get this small little triangle shape, which is supposed to be the stamp. Let's see how this one looks. Okay, there's not much coming out on the first one. Okay, the second one stamped much better. So this is what the winged effect will look like. So eyeliners like this, usually the ones that I reach out for, needs to have a clicker. I mean that when you shake it, you can hear that little clicking noise, and that is because it dispenses the liquid every time you shake it into the felt tip. Otherwise, pens like this tend to get a lot drier. Okay, so I wish that they had done it with this, but I'm hoping that this doesn't dry out too soon. And let's now put this to a test. So I'm just going to take the stamp part and the triangle bit. So the pointy bit obviously is the outer side. The base is what's going to go right over here. Okay, so I hope this is easy. There is a small little thing. It did not come proper, the stamp, and it's not pointy as well. And I'm just going to draw my wing. Okay, this is super black. The intensity of this liquid liner is quite impressive. Okay guys, I think I managed to draw that winged eyeliner. I managed to extend it because I feel that the stamp for my eye, because I've got slightly larger almond shaped eyes, okay, and it was a bit too small for the shape of my eyes. Plus I've got a little bit of a hooded eye as well, so there is a little length issue over here with the stamp. I wish that it came with two choices, maybe a small one for smaller eyes and a big one for bigger eyes, you know. I'm talking about that stamp shaped one. So I'm just going to take that pointy side up, basically the triangle side up, and I'm just going to align it. So this has come out much better than my right hand side, but I would have liked it to be a little more sharper. This gives you just like a tracing for you to follow it up. Okay, not bad. So it has come out a little sharper. I could align it a little bit. I do like how thin this felt tip is, so that you can just get onto your inner corner and make it a lot more sharper. I'm very impressed with that tip of this felt tip. I'm also impressed with the darkness, the blackness of this eyeliner. Is this like the blackest eyeliner I have come across? No, like I said, I think it is Balm from, you know, the Schwing eyeliner from the Balm and Huda Beauties is darker than this. But saying that, this is pretty intense. I would say that even more darker than the Fenty Fly liner, which is very impressive. Okay guys, so this is my final look. This is what my eye makeup looks with the new Nykaa Wing in a Blink. What is my final verdict of this? I think I would give this an 8 out of 10. I think it's pretty cool, okay, for a beginner especially. Like I said, if you have extremely hooded eyes, this could be a little difficult unless you align it really well, that you can get that proper stamp without, you know, going over your hooded eye. If you have large eyes as well, you might have to extend it with the felt tip, obviously. If you have small eyes or normal shaped eyes, then I think you're really going to enjoy this. Press it very hard on your eyelids to get that proper stamp, you know, that dark intensity. The felt tip is what I'm really impressed with. I'm talking about the eyeliner pen in general because of how dark it is. This is not a matte eyeliner. It has got a little bit of a satin finish to it. Definitely there's a slight sheen to it, okay. I wish that it was that pitch dark matte eyeliner, and I hope that they would come out with it. And the felt tip is thin enough to get into that inner corner and extend it if you're looking out for that nice Arabic eyes or that bird beak kind of a shape that you're looking out for. My only problem with it is, like I said, that the stamp is not long enough. I wish that it had come with two different shapes. One is the medium one or the small one like this, and the other one was slightly larger, okay. And another thing I'm not impressed about, I just wish that it had that little clicker, so when you shake it you can hear that noise. It's dispensing the liquid all the way to the felt tip as well as onto the stamp. Should you go buy it? Yes, especially if it's on a sale. This makes it easier. It will give you that right alignment, like I said, because many of us get that wrong. Sometimes, you know, we go a little lopsided with the eyeliner. This will just make sure that everything is set properly. I'm pretty impressed with this, you guys, especially that dark intensity. I just hope it doesn't dry out soon, and it's only because of that no clicker and the shape of that stamp being really small, it gets an 8 out of 10. But I have approved it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this very short review, and I made it really helpful for you to go and pick this one up or not. I shall see you in my next review. Until later, bye for now.